In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote offline. Microsoft OneNote is designed to keep your notes synchronized automatically, which is incredibly convenient if you work across multiple devices or collaborate with other authors. By default, whenever you access a notebook, a copy is downloaded and saved on your device in a special hidden format. This allows you to continue working even if your internet connection is interrupted or if you turn off your computer. Any changes you make while offline are stored locally and automatically synced back to OneDrive as soon as you reconnect to the internet. Before you start working offline, there are a few important steps to ensure your experience is seamless. First, make sure that syncing with OneDrive is enabled. To do this, go to the File tab in OneNote, select Options, and then choose Sync. Ensure that the checkbox for syncing notebooks automatically is selected. This ensures that all your changes are properly tracked and updated when you return online. It's also essential to open all the notebooks you anticipate needing while you are still connected to the internet. If a notebook hasn't been opened before going offline, OneNote will not be able to access it until you regain connectivity. This step guarantees that all your notebooks are downloaded and available for offline editing. Another important tip is to avoid resetting OneNote, uninstalling the app, or attempting to reinstall it until all your work has been successfully synced with OneDrive. Doing so could erase the local cache, resulting in the loss of all offline edits. Similarly, keep your notebooks open rather than closing them while offline. Closing a notebook without an internet connection could interfere with syncing and potentially cause data loss when connectivity is restored. By following these simple precautions, you can safely use OneNote offline without worrying about losing your progress. This allows you to work on your projects, take notes, and capture ideas even when you don't have internet access, and you can trust that your work will sync automatically once you're back online. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.